Welcome to South Granville Lofts at 6th and Granville. My name is Les Chard, and I'm here with Andrew Doe. We just listed a unit in this complex. So Andrew, let me know what's going on here. What did you list?
So this is a studio unit in this industrial commercial building here. It's got mixed-use, dual-purpose live workspace. The location is South Granville, so there's a lot taking place. It's part of the Broadway corridor plan. It's Vancouver's 30-year plan for improving the city infrastructure, transit, housing, public spaces. So there's a lot going on here. It's centrally located, so you're pretty much equal distance to every other part of Vancouver. It's got some really interesting, unique features here, and I can't wait to show you.
And it has also an industrial feel to it, so it's really, really unique, and you got to check it out. So let's go take a look. So we're in the ground floor of the courtyard right now. And Andrew, what makes this building so unique or special?
So this is a commercial zoned live workspace. So it acts as a residence. You can have a home-based business, or you can have a full-on business. So if you even Google the address, you'll see that there's a number of businesses that have their address here. It's a five-level concrete structure, parking, storage, elevator, and it's what makes it unique is it's got this big inside courtyard space, so each unit opens to an outdoor space.
Very, very nice. I like the industrial feel. I like this type of building. It's very deceiving that it's 27 years old. It's unbelievable. Where is it? What's the restaurants? What are the restaurants around here that people would like to visit?
So there's breakfast restaurant, Paul's Omelettery. There's Prado Cafe. We're just a couple of minutes walk from Granville Island and the rest of Falls Creek. You've got a Loblaws coming up on Broadway and Granville.
That's awesome. It's like a block away. It's unbelievable.
It's huge. And then, of course, you've got all of the Broadway SkyTrain extension as well. So, I mean, everything's at your doorstep.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, we should take a look inside. Let's go.
Absolutely.
Okay. So Andrew, what's unique about this unit? What are the features?
So right here we've got an in-suite laundry, 10-foot ceilings, polished epoxy concrete flooring. We've got a little coat closet right here. And then immediately we've got the in-suite bathroom here. So this one's characterized by floor-to-ceiling tile. We've got a clawfoot bathtub, pedestal sink. Let's move on to the rest of the unit.
Wow. I love the feel and look of this stainless steel fridge, the big long island for anybody that's into baking. Look at this. This is the baker's island, isn't it?
Huge island for everything you'd want. You've got tons of storage here. Gas cooktop here, as well as gas oven, washing machine, sunken sink. Big open space concept feeling here. So again, very industrial, concrete, exposed pipes, very unique kind of feeling here. Again, workspace, so perfect for having a desk office here, home-based business, big enough for all your furniture. And then, of course, we've got a huge balcony pointing south.
Let's go take a look. What's happening across the street?
So this is a new residential building going across the street called Form. I believe it's due to complete sometime in 2025. Huge space here, big enough for seating area, big barbecue area as well. Lots of sunlight, but it is covered, so you can sit out here all year round.
All that's missing is a patio heater. That's very easy to do.
Very easy to do, yes.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this unit and you'd like more information or you want to schedule a viewing, be sure to give me a call on the number at the end of the video.
And if you're interested in other properties or you want a market valuation of your property, feel free to give us a call at PC Condos and Homes. My name is Les Torra.
And I'm Andrew Dowd. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.